Hey guys, it's Laura and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Vinted has come to Ireland if you didn't know, and I have gone a little bit crazy on it, so today we're going to be doing a Vinted haul. I'm going to be giving you the prices and the brands of everything. The first thing I got, and this is like the most insane find honestly, these brown leather Miss 60 boots. They're showing up darker on camera than they are, but like they've got these cross straps and then a big buckle that says Miss 60. This one actually says Miss 60 up there as well. These are incredible and they're like pointy. I just love these. They're the perfect heel and I got them for so cheap at $13.30 with bar protection fees. Next thing I got, this is no brand, but it's this like synthetic fur bag. I just love it. It's incredible. It has like a button closure and then I don't know what type of fur it's meant to be mimicking, but I just love it. It's really soft. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be, but it's kind of perfect for you know, just like a shoulder bag, and I could fit plenty in it. It had this like weird carry-on and I'm trying to rip off, but this was $175 after buyer protection fees, so genuine charity shop prices, which is what I really like about Vinted. It's charity shop prices, but like you can find anything you actually need, whereas charity shopping, you never really know what you're gonna get when you get in there, so love that. I do have more things on the way or in the wash, but I'm just gonna save those for future videos because if I keep waiting for everything to come, like that day will never come and then it'll be a ginormous haul. I also will say that like for every order that's gotten here okay, there's been an order cancelled. I don't know what that's about, but no one seems to be checking that they actually have the stuff before they sell it, which means I've missed out on like juicy couture tracksuits and everything, but it's okay. This top was $2.80. It is vintage Bershka. Super cute. Look at this. Like amazing. It's meant to be a kind of round neck, but I wear it kind of slightly off the shoulder. I did crop it. It was aggressively long and I am 5 foot. That wasn't happening for me, but it's a big cross with tiger print and bedazzling and just very indie sleeves vibes. I've been getting all the indie sleeves t-shirts on Vinted, so yeah, vintage Bershka slay. And then I got this t-shirt which is from a brand called Wings and Roses, and it has like stunning all over it and I have no idea what it actually says. Definitely says something, I don't know, but yeah, it'll just like hang on and then off the shoulder there. Really cool. $2.28 if I didn't say that. Like literally cost me nothing. It was amazing. And then we have some bustiers is what they call them if you're searching them on French Vinted. This one is from a really good brand which I've got a few things from, or tried to get a few things from, called couture. It's just like a polka dot tube top. I do need to like take in the sides or put in more elastic or something because it is too big, but the lace trim is really cute and I just cut off these big yellow buttons that were on it. Yeah, I love tiny polka dots. I'm not a fan of big ones, but this is perfect. And this was $175. Really good bargain. And this Hollister one is so funny, I think. It's like proper 2010s Hollister, like the little trimming, the buttons and then the shirring in the back. And it's really long. It is a size too big, it's a small, but I kind of like that it's really long. And then there's just the little bird in the corner, if you can see that. Basically, I initially ordered this in like a navy and white, which would have been my dream combo, but they did cancel it and I couldn't find another one, so I got this one, and that one was $3.85. I got this fur coat also from couture. I got it for $2.80 and this is it. There's like this zigzag detail down the bottom. It is obviously faux fur for that price, and it's like a round neck here. There's no closures or anything, but I wore this on New Year's just over like a little slip dress and it's really comfy, really cute. It does kind of smell like fruity vape, but I'm hoping that'll go while it's in my ownership. And the last two things I have are shorts. So these are no excuses ones, and no excuse, sorry, and if you haven't seen this brand you definitely should look it up. They're cuffed mini shorts with like sequins on them, the double button, and they're low rise obviously. They're so cute with tights, I've already worn them, and they were $175, like way too good. I got these Hollister super low rise, like look at this, and they were $3.85 I believe. Yeah, the flying bird, that's what it's called. and the back. You can tell how low-rise these are and how mini they are. Just like the perfect micro short, and they're gonna be perfect for interrailing, so I'm very excited. And then finally I just have like a couple things I got otherwise that I want to show you. I got these gold juicy hoops in TK Maxx for €16. If you can see, they are incredible. Like, I just love them. I broke my gold hoops, so these are perfect. I got my dream jaded London dress of Depop for literally less than half the price. I think it goes for like £65 or something. I got this for €30, and I don't know if you can see the vision, maybe I'll put up a photo, but it's like, I wanted this for over a year, and it happens to be on that indie sleeves vibe that everyone's on right now. It's a halter dress, and it's mini, and it has like this big thick 2000s vibe band to, you know, keep it on you, and the scarf. Like I said though, I'm really short, especially my legs. I have no legs, and somehow this skirt is like too short on me, so I'm gonna have to wear it with shorts, which is insane. I can't imagine anyone like in any way taller than me wearing this. It is very cute, and for €30, I can't complain. I'm sure I'll find somewhere to wear it. I'm hoping my hair hasn't been sticking up this entire time, but if it has, I'm sorry, but this is the third time I'm filming this video and I really don't want to film it again, so I'll probably just leave it. That is it for this video. Definitely want to do a styling video soon, because I feel like you see me buy all these clothes and then you're like, how are you wearing them? Luckily I'm back to college next week, so I'll be back wearing actual clothes and not constantly wearing pajamas. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I will see you in the next video. Bye!